So another thing that Naviate will let you do, if I come back into Accelerate, is I can actually, in the parameter values, I can actually rename all my views here as well. So when I go into editing my parameters, it will allow you to do it from two places. So you can do it from a category or you can do it from a schedule. I just want to do it from a category today. So you can see these are all of the Revit categories. So you can edit parameters from any category in Revit, or if you have schedules pre-made up, you can also edit them in a schedule mode rather than jumping into the Revit schedule. It's a little bit quicker. So I pull up in my views. It then asks me, what parameters do I want to include in this to edit? So I want to include my view name because these aren't named now to my office standard. And you can see now this pulls up every single view that exists in my model. So I can start looking at tidying up all of my naming conventions in one place. You can see there's my part plans. I'm not going to do all of them. But I will do a couple. So let's say that's 1100. And let's say that's 1101. As soon as I hit update values, Naviate will start running in the background, and you can see over here it's already started to rename all of my views for me without me having to go to the traditional method of right-click, rename, right-click, rename. So that's a much faster and more efficient way of creating my dependent views and then renaming them to comply sort of with my office standards.